How he thought brass was the height of style. Now he's got something of a steampunk smile, and it's alright. It's alright, it's alright. Sally got a dagger hung from her septum. O'Malley cut his ears off for wishes that he kept them, and it's alright. Rudy got his skull exposed, got it soon. He's gonna get scrim shot, carbine, and it's alright. It's alright, it's alright. Too much wrong with you. Much wrong with squeeze. Stuck through your eyelids. You ever fire it? Not a fire. Whatever. Not a fire. It's never not a fire. Nothing to get rejected. Nothing to get infected. Mason got Frankenstein stitches installed adjacent to her eyes, cause she wants to look mauled, and it's alright. It's alright, it's alright. Johnny stuck 20 gauge nails through his feet. Johnny stuck 40